people who come out the Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, look at talk about this. See article dropping in Green. UK to pump $2.9 billion into violence prevention in Jamaica. Man, cut the crap. And we'll start off. I charged up from we don't even know about a bill up to nothing. Just cut the crap right this so. Cut the crap right this so. $2.9 million towards violence prevention efforts in Jamaica for the next 6 years. $2.9 billion in a politicians and their friend in pocket. $2.9 billion in Mickey Mouse programs that will deliver no tangible result. We've been here before. We don't need $2.9 billion from nobody because way more than that has been spent over the last decade, right, per annum, right, with no results. That is fact. Not opinion, fact. It's $2.9 billion, right, over 6 years. Right. More than that has been spent in 1 year on social intervention program in Iron Man with no results. This is Mickey Mouse business. Right. Unless it's some kind of smoke screen to some other thing. And by the way, right, let's say the UK love Jamaica so much it does. So here you go, Iron Man. Here's $2.9 billion because we love you so much. We love you so much. Right. Love you like raspberries. And if you didn't call it sweetness, and if you didn't call it niceness, how about chicken dumpling? Right? Just love Jamaica so much. Here's $2.9 billion. Violence prevention. But let's just say them have money for spear so much. So the Iron Man $2.9 billion. When the UK or the US or Canada are dealing with any security issue, whether it's internal or external, the first thing they invest in is the human resources for the people who is going to do this quote-unquote crime fighting. Or whether it's war fighting, whether it's crime fighting, war fighting, whatever. First thing them do is invest in their human resources and they invest in their equipment and their technology and all that, and they invest in infrastructure to help deal with whatever matter at hand. But the matter Iron Man says some money of some violence prevention program. The JCF need more money to develop its human resources. Right? Whole heap of departments in a JCF need whole heap more funding, whole heap more training. Things like the witness protection program that is woefully underfunded, Iron Man. These are the things that will deliver tangible results on the streets of Iron Man. So, I'm already suspicious of what this money is really for, but I could work with them, so violence prevention. So, who gonna negotiate with them for this? Which is the case for them get one call, yo, we have $2.9 billion for you know, put it on this. Or, what is the case for them say, Senator Kamina Johnson Smith, you know, we have $2.9 billion, what would you want it for? And then she say, or Iron Man say, or Umber say, put it towards violence prevention. Who came up with this nonsense? That more know basically. Because the Jamaican officials, here say them have $2.9 billion to get the quote unquote free. And that's a heavy quote unquote free. And then decide, yeah, we could spend it on some social prevention, some violence prevention. Yeah, that's what we want. With JCF how it stay, JDF how it stay, Coast Guard how it stay. Right. Then they're even worse than I thought. Right. They're even more useless than I thought. If somebody goes claim say they must send down $2.9 billion, how much police station we have one working jeep in the Iron Man? One working jeep. Certain place in the Iron Man if you call, right, and the jeep gone already, sorry for you. I don't understand how when it comes down to certain issues, them say, oh, we're underfunded, we can't fund this, we can't fund that. When it comes down to, you know, recruiting the best talent or keeping the best talent, them say, we don't have the money. But they keep finding the money for these social intervention programs. No, oh, 44 billion them say over 10 years, over 4 billion a year. Where is this money? Why is it that when it comes down to social intervention, the money does fine? But if you tell them say you need $2 million If you actually put something tangible upon the road that actually help security forces, right? Them say, we can't find it. Unicorn meat. Go and look how much money them spend on the witness protection program. I tell them to say, how you know these people, right? I fragment the line. Because it's all a smoke screen, you know. Them people that can't serious about crime, right, and deal with it. Right? The witness protection program, the way them deal with it. Them can't serious about crime and have a justice system like what them have. Can't be. It don't matter how good the police officer is. After them hold on past man and lock them up, the only way that person stay in a jail, only them get a conviction is if they are witnesses turn up to court. But the program that keep the witness them safe and sound physically and mentally is woefully underfunded. Right. People are getting by on scraps, but they might take $2.9 billion chew up on all kind of programs. From here, I'm a see them program. No gunman, no real gunman now go up on a social intervention program. It's a minority of 87s in all the murders. The most murderous 87s with 20, 30 enemies not going on no program. They stay on the streets, kill and kill until they either get killed or get convicted for a murder. Ironman does not have 20,000 killers. If it did, there wouldn't be 1,400 murders. This is basic mathematics. First thing, any money you can offer, you can make all it more rob and thief and scam. Any money you are offer in a youth panel program, him can make all it more a thief, a rob beryllium them, or chop the line. If you think a youth will make millions a scam and a drive, right, Bima and Markix and Toyota Crown for them at 18, 19 and go up on your program and stuff. Right. You've seen and heard. Right. But people like C4, right, I go through. The program needs whole heap of work. People are losing their minds. Right. Somebody who is working, have a job, see a crime, right, go join the program. Right. I go from having a job when I make, right, who knows how much money, to now only getting what is basically a stipend a month in time. Right. Meanwhile, waiting for a long, drawn out court process. It is this, what the word? A dissuade. It is putting off people from becoming witnesses. People are going on the program, right, and rather left and go dead. Man rather left and dead than stay upon it. It needs more work, needs more money, needs more development. Spend the money there, sir. Spend the money upon the JCF. Improve the training of the JCF officers. Improve the equipment. Improve the justice system. This is how you reduce crime, taking 87s of the street. But when you want to feel good, violence always sounds so good. Violence prevention program. Who could be against this? You must be an animal if you're against the violence prevention program. Violence prevention program. That now bring down the murder rate. Man will retaliate for them bridging murder. And a man a dead back, That now stop them youth there. This is why Ironman continues to top murder charge no matter how much money them spend on social intervention program. Because the most murderous 87s, right, don't care about it, can't go upon it, right, and even if them could go upon it, right, the incentive to them is very low because they make fast money in a criminal world. Ridiculous. But look on the bright side, at least you feel good. So thanks UK, I guess, for the free, quote unquote, free $2.9 billion, right, for the violence prevention, right. Thank you. So generous of you. After all, we know you really care. Link me for a unicorn. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, I don't know, more life. Vulture Squad. Stay circling. Bless.